Redis is fast because it lives in memory, but memory is volatile. RDB snapshots are how Redis captures your entire dataset to disk so it can survive a restart. Think of an RDB file as a photograph of Redis memory at one moment in time. It is compact, fast to reload, and Redis can produce it in the background without blocking your application. When BGSAVE runs, Redis forks immediately. The child owns a frozen view of memory and writes it out. The parent keeps running. Only when the file is fully written does an atomic rename replace the old snapshot. Config get save shows the auto snapshot schedule. BGSAVE kicks off a background save and returns immediately. LASTSAVE tells you exactly when the last successful snapshot completed as a Unix timestamp. When reviewing a PR, the two biggest red flags are calling save on a live server, which blocks everything, and disabling snapshots entirely without enabling AOF, leaving you with zero durability on a crash. RDB snapshots give you fast restarts and a small file footprint, but every snapshot has a gap. Match your save schedule to how much data loss your application can tolerate, and layer on AOF when that gap is too large.